हेलो गाइस, मेरा नाम है चंदन और आप देख रहे हैं चंदन कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन, जहां पे आप कंप्यूटर सीखते हैं, वो भी ऑनलाइन। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। अगर आप इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर नए आए हैं तो ज़रूर हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और नीचे दिए साइड में दिया गया वो जो बेल बटन है ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, जिससे कि हमारे आने वाली नए वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आपको सबसे पहले मिलती रहे। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग। क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग के बारे में ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रश्नों के उत्तर हम आज देने वाले हैं। तो बिना किसी देर किए चलिए देखते हैं क्या है वो। तो आज का टॉपिक है व्हाट इज क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग, एवरीथिंग यू नीड टू नो अबाउट क्लाउड। What is cloud computing? In simple terms, cloud computing is the delivery of on demand computing services from applications to storage and processing power, typically over the internet and on a pay as you go basis. How does cloud computing work? Rather than owning their own computing infrastructure or data centers, company can rent access to anything from applications to storage from a cloud service provider. One benefit of using cloud computing services is that firms can avoid the upfront cost and complexity of owning and maintaining their own IT infrastructure, and instead simply pay for what they use when they use it. In turn, providers of cloud computing services can benefit from significant economies of scale by delivering the same services to a wide range of customers. What cloud computing services are available? Cloud computing services cover a vast range of options now, from the basics of storage, networking, and processing power, though, to natural language processing and artificial intelligence, as well as standard office applications. Pretty much any app service that doesn't require you to be physically close to a computer's hardware that you are using can now be delivered via the cloud. What are examples of cloud computing? Cloud computing underpins a vast range of number of services that includes customer services like Gmail or the cloud backup of the photos on your smartphone, through to the services which allow large enterprises of host all their data and run all their applications in the cloud. Netflix relies on cloud computing services to run its video streaming services and its other business systems too, and have a number of other organizations. Cloud computing is becoming the default option for many apps. Software vendors are increasingly offering their applications as services over the internet rather than standalone products, as they try to switch to a subscription model. However, there is a potential downside of cloud computing in that it can also introduce new costs and new risks for companies using it. Now you can see why is it called cloud computing. A fundamental concept behind cloud computing is that the collocation of services and many of the details such as the hardware or operating systems on which it is running are largely irrelevant to the user. It is with this in mind that the metaphor of the cloud was borrowed from old telecom network schematics, in which the public telephone network and later the internet was often represented as a cloud of denote that the just didn't matter. It was just a cloud of stuff. This is an oversimplification of course, For many customers, locations of their services and data remains a key issue. धन्यवाद इस वीडियो के अंत तक देखने के लिए। अगर आपको इस वीडियो से कुछ सीखने को मिला हो और आप कुछ जान पाए हो तो ज़रूर हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए और शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। तो मैं आज के लिए तो इतना ही है, पर आने वाले समय में मैं और भी ऐसे इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस लाता रहूँगा। तो टिल देन, बाय बाय।